So welcome back to Stan the Camper Van, our refit of this crafter to convert it into a camper. So what we're going to do today is talk to you about what we've done with fitting the leisure batteries to the to the seat box. So you can see we've got 210 amp leisure batteries here from Tainar Batteries. We fitted them into the non-standard seat box that came from Captain Seat to go with our swivel seats. So you can see that we've effectively linked the two batteries together, and then we've run an earth lead down to the main earth for the starter battery. There isn't any need to run a positive connection to the starter battery because all that will be handled with the CBE electronic unit that we've got. But what you can see is that we've used these block fuses on each of the positive terminals. So the idea with these is that you don't end up with an unprotected cable from the battery to the first leisure item that you use. So there isn't any unfused cable at all. And these are available from 12 Volt Planet. And so you can see on the side of the battery box here, we've got a main isolation switch which will isolate all of the leisure batteries at the turn of a switch, and we've also got an Anderson connection which we can use either for jump starting other vehicles, or if we wanted, for instance, to connect an inverter to that, we could do. Okay, so we've made this battery strap to keep the batteries in place. So one of the main causes of fires in leisure vehicles is unsecured or incorrectly secured leisure batteries, and we've actually seen leisure batteries short out on the bottom of a Land Rover seat and cause a fire. So we're pretty much in a position to make sure that that doesn't happen here. And the other feature that we've designed to make sure that that doesn't happen is that once the seat's been fitted, we'll be fitting this piece of wood across the top of the battery so that if the batteries did come loose and jump up, they wouldn't make contact with the bottom of the seat and short out. And in order to make sure that this piece of ply remains light but is stronger, we've coated it with some fiberglass and some resin. So we've got extra strength from a piece of 3mm ply without really adding any weight. Okay, and because of the way these seats are fitted, we're going to have to fit the seat and then slide this under the seat and secure it to the box. And in order to do that, we've actually tapped the seat box, and we've got these little M6 wing nuts, or M8 wing nuts, which will fit afterwards. So the next thing we're going to do is to refit the swivel seat, being careful that we don't catch the heated seat cables.